how to get internet browser on your Roku device. Now, if you go ahead and look in your featured apps, you will not be able to find option or some sort of browser. Neither can you go ahead and download it. But there are a few alternatives that you can do, and one of them is by doing a cast or a sort of screen mirroring. So in your device, maybe your phone, tablet, or your computer, just go ahead to your settings and find the screen mirroring option, which you should be able to find in connectivity options, or pretty much depending on what you have. But as long as you find your screen sharing or cast, then just go ahead over there and turn it on so that you can connect to your Roku device. So of course your Roku device has to be turned on, and once it is, then you should be able to find it over here on your nearby devices. You can connect it, and whatever's in your mobile screen will be able to cast directly to the TV. So over here, this is what's casting on my phone, and it should be the same on your TV. But that is one of the main ways you can pretty much use or show a browser into your Roku device. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.